In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view edit history of a cell. If you've ever looked at a number in your spreadsheet and wondered who changed it, when it changed, or what it used to be, this feature is exactly what you need. It's a quick way to audit a single cell without digging through the entire file's version history. Here's how it works in the simplest possible way. Once you're looking at the sheet and you've identified the exact cell you're curious about, use your mouse to right-click that cell. In the menu that appears, select Show Edit History. That's it. Google Sheets will open a small panel right next to the cell that shows a timeline of the edits made to that specific spot. Inside this edit history view, you'll see who made the change, the timestamp for when it happened, and what the cell's content looked like at each point. If the cell once held a different number, text, or even a formula, you'll see those previous versions laid out clearly. This is incredibly helpful for tracking down why a total shifted, how an error crept in, or which formula performed better. A couple of things to keep in mind as you explore what's shown. The cell edit history focuses on content changes, so it's designed to show you what was typed or which formula was used, rather than cosmetic formatting like colors or bolding. It's also different from the overall version history for the entire file, which captures broader snapshots of the sheet over time. Think of cell edit history as your magnifying glass for one cell, and full version history as the wide-angle lens for the whole document. If you don't see the Show Edit History option when you right-click, it could be due to your access level. View-only permissions typically don't expose all historical details. It can also vary by device or browser, so using a current desktop browser gives you the most consistent experience. When you do have access, names and timestamps reflect the collaborators who edited that cell, following your document's sharing and privacy settings. As a best practice, use this feature when you're reviewing critical figures, reconciling changes, or preparing reports. It's a lightweight, fast way to verify accuracy without disrupting the rest of your sheet. And that's all you need to view the edit history of a cell in Google Sheets. Right-click the cell, choose Show Edit History, and review the details presented. With this simple habit, you'll save time, reduce guesswork, and keep your data trustworthy.